Florida, I love you, and your humidity. Said no one ever.
Except for this guy.
Only redeeming factor.
Baby.
Only redeeming factor is I can cook outside pretty much all year long, minus the hurricanes, like the one that we had this week, as a matter of fact. Right now, we're gonna be showing you how to make a chicken flauta, but there is a debate. You and I have this often, cheese on the inside or not.
Well, I mean, traditionally, no. No one else does.
One other person does, I know.
One person you know puts cheese in flauta?
Liam. You guys know him. You all know him.
Liam who?
Neeson.
You're gonna... I know Liam. You don't know Liam Neeson.
I do, obviously.
No, you don't.
Watch me. Don't look at the number. He doesn't like me to hand it out.
Who are you calling, for real?
Liam, what up? It's CJ, man.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want.
Actually, I'm glad that you asked. I need a little contribution today for my cooking recipe.
I can tell you I don't have money, but what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career.
That's actually why I'm calling, dude. Basically, cheese on my flautas or no cheese on my flautas. Also, while I have you you looked me up on YouTube yet?
I will not look for you. I will not pursue you.
What if I put you in an episode?
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Wow, that phone call did not go quite as expected. Old Liam, he's such a joker, that guy. I'm sure he's kidding.
You're such good friends.
We'll laugh about it on Tuesday at our Tuesday luncheon. All right, so let's get down to business. Flautas are basically a simple situation kind of dish. The frying is...
Simple situation kind of dish.
the frying them is really the hardest part, but we will get to that in a second. Right now, let's get to our chicken. So, this is always what I like to use, and it's for a very specific reason.
The cutlet.
Cutlets.
It's your friend.
They cook really fast. And if this is your first time watching my show, you are going to quickly figure out that I'm not the most
You should be watching another show
elevated
called
of
Cook,
chefs.
Eat, Repeat. Dude, you were saying
No,
the same thing
I
that
double
was saying.
freaking dog dare you.
No, you can't double
Stop
stamp.
my show.
You can't triple stamp a double stamp. You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lord.
So first thing is we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil, and then we are going to do some kosher salt and some coarse black pepper. Pretty much it right now.
Poivre.
Let me say it one more time. What? Really?
What?
What? In French, you are
Les incompetents.
Dang it!
You're what the French call les incompetents.
We've got our 36-inch Blackstone that I have been preheating, and just for the giggles, I'm gonna add just a little bit of olive oil down, and this, my friends, is going to be a quick sear. That is the sound that you're looking for, because we are wanting a nice crust on our chicken cutlets. Okay, let's move on.
You know what sound I've been looking for?
What?
Oh wait, but I have someone wants to do it for us.
Come on, everyone! It's CJ's first cooking show. Let's ring it and bring it.
That's the hardest secret I've ever kept from you.
How long have you had that?
I'm not telling you.
That's for real.
Bring it and bring
All
it.
right. Aflac.
Let's get back to the chicken.
Okay, let's get back to the chicken. It's had a few seconds to cook over here. This is going to be pretty quick. Oh, that's the golden color we're looking for. Now, while that is going, I love flautas with one specific side dish, salsa verde. So today we are going to be
going hardcore.
We're gonna be cutting it up wicked over here. So tomatillos, man. For those that don't know, like me, tell me about the tomatillo and why is it wrapped in this husk?
It's just the way that it grows. It is, I believe, in the tomato family. However, it has a lot more bitterness, rich qualities to it. It does have a waxy exterior, and it's like almost like corn.
Yeah,
like a husk like corn.
If you've never done it before, when you husk it, I'm using that term correctly. Yeah,
a little sticky.
It's sticky.
Yep.
It's got a funky residue on there.
Funky butt loving.
Did he say funky butt loving?
Judges? I got a 10.
Well, we're gonna griddle these. This is not something that you have to do, but this is something I like to do. It adds a fun flavor.
Yeah, most people will
heating it up.
they'll boil them first,
Yeah.
which is nice. You just want to kind of soften them up a little bit.
Yeah. I've got to ring it.
Dang,
it's
that
hot.
was a good grito. Judges?
Whoa! All right, I got my tomatillos here. You know what? Let me get a little bit.
The oil?
A little bit of oil. I'm gonna scooch my chicken over and make a little bit of room. We're gonna do this in
the chicken
the
fat?
residual chicken fat
Oh,
that we
heck
got
yeah.
going on over here. This is gonna compound some flavors,
You.
if you will.
You.
I know. Dude, Godfrey, he's in my head now. Like, he's in my spirit.
Your dad is a moron!
I like the way you use the tomatillos.
I'm gonna.
Pretty good, Godfrey.
It was not that good.
Judges?
Judges? Oh, that was perfect. Come on. Okay, that's better. Yeah, I like where the judges are at. Their headspace is in the right place at this moment. So I've got some jalapenos. I'm gonna cut off the stem, and then I'm gonna slice it in half, and I'm gonna put these right down.
Oh, dang,
on
the
the griddle
heat and
top.
everything.
Yeah. Dude,
Seeds,
is there
pith.
some? Yeah, because I want the seeds, man. Because I want some of that steam. I've actually not been great about buying some hot jalapenos lately. Okay, we're not done there. I've got a lime. I'm gonna cut this in half. And head right over here.
You gonna put it in the coconut?
Put the lime in the coconut. All right, I'm gonna take some garlic cloves. I'm gonna throw these right here down in the
like it.
center. I'm gonna give that a little
Do
bit
you
of olive
season
oil.
these at all, or you just
Yes,
want the
as a
heat?
matter of fact, I
at you.
do. And this is something that Betty says often, and I love that she says it. Tomatoes, and I'm assuming tomatillos would still be in the same game.
They love
They
salt.
love salt. And so we're gonna do some coarse black pepper, some kosher salt, and that, my friends, is all she wrote. We're gonna wait just a second. We're gonna ring it and bring it. And can I get a judge to ring and bring?
What is it? What are
Judge
they
number
judging?
one. Here we go. Time to ring it
Guest ring.
and bring it.
Wow, that was a good ring.
That was a great ring. Salud.
Unlike some people.
Before my garlic gets a little too toasty, I'm gonna go ahead and slice up some yellow onion and throw that down on the griddle. I'm gonna toss all of my ingredients together now. This is where all the flavors are starting to come together, they're starting to caramelize, and they are just about done. All right, now that we've tossed our ingredients, I think my chicken is done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off, boys.
Pollo finito.
Los pollos hermanos.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family.
505, what do you think about that reference?
Judges?
Oh, you guys are doing a terrible job. So now that we've got our chicken all sliced up, I'm just gonna set that aside, and now it's time to work on our flour. 10 o'clock in the morning.
I just figured she was a raging alcoholic.
Good timing.
Okay.
Let's just bring
We landed on the moon!
We landed on the moon!
with your corn tortillas, to be able to roll them the right way, they need to be pliable. And in this situation, we're going to heat them up. You could use
Aren't they always
oil.
pliable?
Well, yeah, I mean, in the sense that they are, but if you get a lot of stuff and you start rolling, these can start to be brittle and break, just like that. So the best way to combat that situation is to steam them or heat them up.
Whoa.
So here's what we're gonna do. Check it out, boys.
Checking.
All right, those are looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off altogether.
Those look gorgeous, bro.
Bro, the caramelized and toasted jalapenos, you are going to taste that
heck
flavor.
yeah.
Dude, check this jalapeno out right there.
Gorgeous.
It's like fire roasted, but not roasted. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So now we've got our Blackstone griddle top ready to go. You don't have to clean this up because we're actually not going on the griddle top. Fun
Weird.
trick.
What are we doing?
I'm gonna take my Blackstone
Okay. All
cutting
right.
board. You see where I'm going with this one?
No, what are you doing?
I'm gonna get my corn tortillas,
Okay.
kind of spread them out here, making sure that they are exposed so they can catch some of the air. And I'm gonna grab my dome, grab my water, and we're gonna steam.
What kind of tricks you got?
All kinds of tricks. I got five on it.
You started with Total Recall.
Dude!
And immediately transitioned.
Excellent reference. Now, judges, what do you think of that one?
Ooh. Yeah.
Moving on. I'm
where you
shutting
live.
up and cooking. All right. Shh. So now this is the next part. We are
Okay.
going to blend our salsa. So I've got my cup here, set my lime aside because we're not throwing an entire lime in there. We're gonna just get all of our jalapenos, all of our onions, our tomatillos, and load it up.
So just no worried about chopping them. They're all pretty big. The blender's gonna do the work for us.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about any of that. It's time to season it up just a hair. So we're gonna do some, actually a decent amount of salt because, as Betty would say, those tomatoes, they love that salt. They love it.
Tomatillos.
And that too. So now,
Ooh, dang.
another
Dude,
pro
a
move.
Warm lime.
Yeah.
Squeezes.
Beautifully.
Like no one's business.
The trick here is don't grab it with your hands because it did just come off the griddle and it is freaking screaming hot. Then we grab our blender and hit frappe.
Ah.
That girl will tear out your heart, put it in a blender, and hit frappe.
So we're gonna let that chill out for a minute. Now we've got our toasty corn tortillas. I'm gonna set them aside.
Oh, man.
This is gonna be a fun one. Oh, this one already has some integrity issues, but yeah, we're gonna set it aside.
Okay.
Now, this is really up to you. You could chop these up into smaller bits, but I want to just grab a few of these slices.
Okay.
And because we had the green light from Mr. Neeson, did we have a green light? I don't even know
Yeah, thank you,
what the
Liam
consensus was, but we're gonna grab that and we're gonna roll it. Son of a gun.
Beauty.
No. I mean,
That's
yes.
beautiful. I know what's coming.
While you do this, you're supposed to roll it and have
Go get your
a
toothpicks.
toothpick.
Go get your toothpicks. Ow! Go get them.
So, like I was saying before, I was so rudely sabotaged. I'm pretty sure you did that on purpose.
I did not.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna
Okay.
do that probably, I don't know, 6, 7,
Let's
8
do 6.
more times.
8. Let's do 8.
8 more
Yes.
times, and then we're gonna drop that into our oil. Now, I think it's probably a good idea to go ahead and do these in batches. It's not necessarily the size of the pan, but it's gonna be the temperature of the oil that you're gonna be working with. It could bring the temperature down, so go ahead and like do 4 or 5 at a time, pull them out, and then go ahead and do the others. We do want to pull these out and drain them, give them a little chance to cool off, get rid of that excess
Hollywood.
extra.
How long do these usually take?
This is like, what, 3
beautiful.
minutes? And you're gonna know they're done when they're crispy. I mean, probably should have steamed them up a bit longer, but it is still quite all right.
I feel like this is like one of those perfect bar food, pick on, like, dipper kind of food. I don't think it really matters.
No, it's, whoa.
These look awesome.
Dude, look at this, like, this is seaweed for grease.
What?
Yeah,
Seaweed for grease.
yeah. Oh, look at that one's kind of like a taco.
Oh, it is.
Oh, that one is really, really sad looking. But it's
No,
gonna taste good.
That one's mine.
All right, that is totally yours.
Round 2?
Round 2. Okay, so look, it's my first cooking show. We're gonna do some recipe redemption. My corn tortillas that were breaking up and not cooperating.
Oh, they were breaking up for a reason.
That's right. They weren't breaking up this band.
Oh, heck yeah.
We're gonna throw those guys in.
How can you kick me out of what is mine?
How can you kick me out of what is mine?
I know it was an afterthought, but I'm excited about these little
Those
chippies.
chips are gonna be nice. Now, don't let the deformed Flautas scare you.
Nair.
Nair, I say.
Nair a skeptic.
I actually did this on purpose so people would know what not to do. I think we can start the plating process.
I'm
as we-
interested to see where this salsa comes in.
Well,
Because it's been sitting over here lonely.
it's
Lonely.
Now, let's go ahead and start the plating process. Now we've got our salsa verde. And check it out, just one
Okay.
last
Whoop.
thing. You know what?
Ye
Yeah.
old post dust.
Yep. We're going to post dust with some of this taco fajita seasoning and
Dude,
mon
can you do
frere.
some fresh cilantro?
No.
What?
I'm just kidding, I will. Somehow we found ourselves back on high ground after that debacle of our tortilla shells just weren't cooperating. But it doesn't matter, dude. And you know what?
The
Today,
judges need a taste.
let's let the judges decide.
Welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show, everybody. This is Samantha. This is Lonnie. This is James.
I think everyone gets a bite, and the judges should
Okay,
judge.
you know what? Oh, look at that. She grabbed it by its built-in handle.
Wow, I guess that's the way to do it.
That's And
Wait,
that's the way the cookie crumbles.
You have to dip?
And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
We'll do all 3 bites, and then we'll
assess.
Yeah, we'll assess.
Some
You're
extra
jumping in now too?
Well, I've got to.
All right, verdict, judges.
Delicious.
Oh, whoa!
I've had better.
Yeah, yep, that makes sense.
Chicken good.
Ah!
And good.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Nothing. I was just trying to find an interesting
segue to the best part of the show.
Yeah.
It's time for CJ's first cooking show comments of the week.
From impressive to obsessive, a little spice and the not so nice. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
This is the segment of the show where I screenshot comments that you, the viewers, have made blessed, lovely comments about me and my cooking.
We read it.
This is very true. So I screenshot it and read it in no particular order, starting from the top. So here we go. This comes from Come and Take It. Come and Take It says, "Hey CJ, my wife and I really enjoy your cooking, but we want to know one thing.
Uh-oh.
If you're being held hostage by Nate, give us a signal. Hand to the hat or something. We will save you."
No. No.
I don't know what you're referring
No.
to. Ring that bell!
That was
There
good.
it is.
That was creative.
All right, come and take
I
it.
want to come in. Let me get in here.
Muzzle,
Okay.
muzzle. Good things.
Muzzle. Good things.
I think I'm going to let my panel jump in here.
All right.
Mr. Broho, why don't you take it away, guy?
Daniel says, let's frustrate Nate's culinary skills by putting chili cheese Fritos on his steak baked potatoes.
Hey, yo! There is no wrong time for chili cheese Fritos. This is a fact, right, Ethan?
Yes.
Yes! Ring that bell! Here's to
It's aggressive.
some high-quality H2O.
Now that's what I call high-quality H2O.
Miss Panel Judge number 2, Lonnie.
All right, this is from Patrice. She says, y'all are flipping hilarious. Your comedy is better than the food.
Whoa, okay.
Oh,
Wow. There's another one, right? Right underneath it.
Rainy Joe says, all of this just for the special sauce recipe. OMG, I hate CJ so much. He makes me want to punch his face off through the computer screen. Angry emoji, cussing emoji.
And wait, isn't there one more? This is right underneath.
Gwen says, I must find something to do. I am sitting here binging on all of these shows.
Well,
Cookie
there you
repeat
go.
Included?
Nah, dude.
Ring for cookie repeat. All right.
Oh no, there's nothing.
You guys are awesome.
Cookie.
Gwen.
And panel judge number 3. What do you got?
Well, Jess Farron says.
No,
well,
Jess.
We love Jess.
We do.
We love Jess.
Well, this looks great. Also, I feel like we need an Ethan's band shirt of the week. I've seen some solid contenders. Double horns.
Woo! Look at that.
Band shirt of the
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
Yeah. This one comes in from.
Are you sure? I was gonna go up.
James Higgins.
Oh.
I'm sure it's not
Wait.
the James I know.
What?
This guy is a joke. Too many shenanigans for my liking. What is
True?
What is this guy? Why does this guy even have a show?
Me.
Such an embarrassment to the 505.
Me again.
Shave that stupid beard already.
Uh-huh.
CJ's last cooking show. Reverse bell. All right, here it is. This is the last one. This comes from Mark Jensen.
Hey, Mark.
Another great show. Your humor and cooking got me through 10 months of deployment.
Whoa.
Now I'm home and enjoying cooking all of the recipes on my Blackstone.
Bro, thank you for your
Mark,
service.
to you.
Indeed.
I'm dedicating this entire
How many
episode
bells?
to Mark. And a 21 bell salute.
All right, here we go.
That was 20.
One more.
Okay.
He's got great
Mark,
t-shirts,
right
but
on,
he can't
buddy.
count. Hey, cheers to you, Mark. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Please be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and a bunch of others. Be sure to check out Todd's show, Betty's show, Nate's show. Crunch a little louder, why don't you? This is my show.
Yeah.
Where we cook.
And we quote.
These are the facts, and I'm
Of life.
sticking to it. Ooh, facts of life, good one.
You take the good, you take the bad, you take them both, and there you have the facts of life.
All right, thank you guys. We will check you guys out on the next episode.
The next episode.
The next episode. See ya.